Ukrainian forces have carried out one of the most impressive military operations of this conflict, completely catching Russian forces by surprise. Now, an important question arises: how did they manage to achieve such success? According to Ukrainian claims, this operation, codenamed Operation Spiderweb, took more than 18 months of meticulous planning. The drones were launched autonomously from a container that had been discreetly parked near Russian air bases. Logistically, it was an extremely complex operation. The SBU first sent FPV drones to Russia, concealed inside containers. These containers were then stored in a warehouse for an extended period. Inside them were mobile wooden boxes with removable top covers. At the designated time, these covers were opened, and the drones launched from within, entirely remotely. One tragic aspect of this operation involved a truck driver who was later found dead, with a tie wrapped around his neck. This indicates there may have been some form of on-ground supervision from the Ukrainian side, and suggests that efforts were made to remove any evidence after the operation concluded. Another surprising event occurred afterward, once it was discovered that a semi-trailer had been used to launch the drones and carry out the attack. Local civilians located one such container. They climbed onto it, opened the top cover with their bare hands, and destroyed the remaining drones, preventing further potential damage. Overall, this was a major success for Ukrainian forces. However, it also highlights a serious vulnerability in Russian strategic defenses, especially considering the targeted bombers are part of the country's nuclear triad. What the Russian response will be remains uncertain,